Matt here for Leighton Sports Cards, ripping 2021 Topps Chrome Update Baseball Sapphire Edition. This is 5-box break number 2, random teams. Here's another look at those random results. All right, let's do it. Awesome, Mike. Appreciate it. Good luck in those breaks. All right. Auto coming already, I think. This is nice. Cardinals. Green rookie auto to 50. Dylan Carlson. There you go. Cardinals. That's Glenn W. He hasn't quite emerged as a star yet, but it's coming. There's a Carlson rookie debut. Base. James Paxton. Adames. There's Rich Hill. Pujols. That's a Dodger. Nice color coming. It's Franchy Cordero. And Cardinals. That's Daniel Ponce de Leon. Orange to 25. Cardinals having a great break already. It's Keegan Thompson rookie. Nick Maton rookie. It's Tyler Ivey. Sam Huff rookie debut. Jan Gomes. Rookie combos, Cleveland. Jared Kelenic, rookie debut. Again, all Sapphire cards will be sleeved and top loaded before they're sorted. That's awesome. All right. Auto in the first pack last time, so maybe we just move the auto to the bottom. Let's see. Sometimes that doesn't work. It's Mets. Keibert Ruiz. Next break is clearly authentic. Full case random teams. $64.99 a spot on that, and we have 14 to go. We need to get that filled up. It's Casey Mize, rookie debut. Need some KC now, yeah. Sierra, there's Ke'Bryan Hayes, rookie debut. Like to see a super in here. There's Kyle Cody, Adam Ottavino, green to 50, right? Yep, to 50. Bowden. I'm excited for the 2023 Topps design. I like it a lot, actually. It's Luis Patino. Yeah. Ty France. Spencer Howard. I pulled supers out of Sapphire. This is White Sox. That is rookie auto, Nick Madrigal. There you go, White Sox. Joaquim Soria. Vladimir Gutierrez, rookie. So Clearly Authentic is up next, 14 to go. I do need to tweet that out really fast. And again, we are doing a full sellout promo today. So if we fill up all the breaks on today's schedule, I'll do a random at the end of the day between all spots in today's breaks. And 3 of those spots will each get $100 in break credit. Oh, didn't work that time. Auto's coming now. It's Ryan McKenna, rookie. This is Mariners rookie auto, Taylor Trammell. You go Seattle. Yeah, Scotty, let's see it. Giovanni Gallegos. There's Perdomo, rookie. It's Kirilloff. Ryan Hendricks. Kevin Pillar. This is green. Bruce Zimmerman to 50 Orioles. Pablo Sandoval. Davey Garcia debut. It's Twins. There's Josh Palacios. And Colome. All right, 2 to go. In Clearly Authentic Baseball, 20-box case number 28, random team style, is up after this. Let's see. We'll put those 2 on the bottom. Try to save the auto for the end. Yeah, that's next up. $64.99 a spot. We have 14 to go on that. Kellenic. Sally. Josh Van Meter and orange. Chris Archer, 25 Rays. Celestino. It's Adam Frazier, Justin Williams, rookie. Angel Rondon. Ha-Seong Kim. There's Rockies rookie combos. This is A's rookie auto, James Caprielian. You go Oakland. Tom. Margot, Sam Huff, last box. Still 14 to go on Clearly Authentic. Up next. I don't remember if I moved packs to the bottom or not. Do that anyway. And then 11 and 8 to go on our Pick Your Team style, Clearly. Let's says NL Beasts. That's Braves and Marlins. That's weird. It has Braves and Marlins on the back. Just the Braves on the front. We're going to do a dice roll on this. It'll be left side 1, 2, 3. Right side 4, 5, 6. Just to make sure it's fair. That'll go left 1 Braves. Let's put a tag on this one. Oh, nice, James. Appreciate it. All right. And this is D-backs. Rookie auto, Geraldo Perdomo. There you go, Arizona. I'm not sure on that, Scotty. I don't think so, but I'm not positive. There's Dylan Moore and Dylan Carlson. Josh Bell. All right, let's see a big parallel here. It's Josh Palacios. Ryan McKenna, rookie. Pujols. Ooh, nice color coming. That is D-backs. Red, Asdrubal Cabrera. There you go. Nice one. Arizona, that is 5 of 5. Nice red. D-backs did well. Oh, sorry, there was an Alek Manoah rookie. Let's fill up Clearly Authentic. Full case number 28 is breaking next. Yeah, I love the red sapphires. They're so nice. We have 14 to go on Clearly Authentic random teams. Joey Gerber. Mario Feliciano. Losing Dak for 6 to 8 weeks. Really? Yerman Mercedes. Valdo Rodriguez. And Andrew Vaughn, rookie debut on the back. All right, quick recap here. We had a red Asdrubal Cabrera D-backs to 5. We had D-backs rookie auto, Geraldo Perdomo. A's rookie auto, James Kaprielian. Mariners rookie auto, Taylor Trammell. White Sox rookie auto, Nick Madrigal. And Cardinals rookie auto green to 50, Dylan Carlson. There you go, Cardinals. That'll do it for the break. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it. We have Clearly Authentic coming up.